Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much guys for coming back. For my returning subscribers, I want to equally say I'm so grateful for you coming back to this platform. And on this platform we do talk education and some few vlogs or some few lifestyle vlogs. Alright, this is actually for those who are just coming in as newcomers, and for the newcomers, you are highly welcome to this platform. And if you didn't know, this is the Anointing Village Boy, the one and only Anointing Village Boy from Africa, who is a YouTuber. Thank you so much for joining today. In today's video, I want to talk about how to make money using WhatsApp. Okay, yeah, WhatsApp is an app we all use in our phones. I believe we all have it. Yeah, so today I will be talking about how to make money using WhatsApp. Okay, hey guys, there are a lot of ways, a lot of ways you can use WhatsApp to make money. Okay, a lot of people do generate income, or let me say money or finances, from WhatsApp. All right, because some of us, we do not know that this app or this application has a variety of functions. All right, the first way you can make money from WhatsApp or using WhatsApp is you can actually make money using WhatsApp by consulting, okay, or coaching. Let's say you are good in a specific field, all right, or if there is something that you know very well, that you know that if you coach people, or let me say if you teach people, all right, they are going to gain something from that. All right, that is what I mean by coaching or consulting. You can actually bring a group of persons together, all right, financial minds people who are willing to make extra income. Then you bring them together, all right, you share your knowledge with them on WhatsApp. You can use just your WhatsApp contact list. You share your information with them, or if you have any other means or group of WhatsApp or people, all right, or group of persons, you can share this idea with them on WhatsApp, and after that they are going to pay you, or maybe you can charge them a fee, all right, for the knowledge you are going to be presenting to them, and they are going to pay you for that. That is what I mean, okay, by coaching and consulting. All right, because in that way you are going to help them. It's a win-win-win. It's a win-win for both parties, you and the audience, because what you know best you are going to be sharing to the audience, and what the audience is going to give you back in return is cash or money. Okay, so that is what I mean by coaching or consulting. Now, another way you can make money using WhatsApp is to via WhatsApp groups. First of all, to add to the consulting part or the coaching, let's say you have a particular skill, okay, because some people, they really don't understand that within them are specific or some hidden skills that they have. All right, everybody has a skill, or everybody has something hidden within that he or she can do best, that can change his or her life. All right, so if you have a particular skill, let me say, if you realize that you have a skill, okay, like in that you can serve the public and it's going to impact them good. Let's say if you are good in baking, if you are good in sewing, all right, I mean small, take small scale businesses at this point. All right, you are good in sewing, you are good in cooking, okay, you are good in frying, let me say frying stuff to sell. You are good in driving, because there are a lot of companies or a lot of individuals that will want to hire you for certain journeys, or maybe companies that want to hire you to drive with them. Okay, in this case you can use, let's say you don't have a job at that particular point. In this case you can use your WhatsApp alone. Okay, you spread along this information to reach a variety of people. Let's say you have a group of people in or let's say you have like 200 people on your contact list, and you message them, each and every one of these 200 persons, saying that you are a baker or a driver or a cook. Maybe they might not have a job for you that can give you money, but they might recommend you to someone who is looking for this person with this particular skill like yours. Okay, that way you are going to make money, and that money is going to come from via WhatsApp. All right, that is what I mean by you share your knowledge, and in turn you get cash. All right. Then the other way I am going to talk about making WhatsApp is through WhatsApp groups. All right, you can equally make money via WhatsApp groups. I know a lot of people who actually make money or who are still making money via WhatsApp groups. There is a feature in WhatsApp, or on WhatsApp that is called a group. Okay, or on business WhatsApp that is called a group. You can actually go to that group. You invite a particular set of persons, maybe a group of 50 or 150 or 200 persons to that group that you know you have something that you can share with the group. Okay, that way if you have something which is very good you share with the group, then I think 200 persons in a particular WhatsApp group, with the knowledge you are giving them and with what they are going to gain, if they find it interesting, they are not going to hesitate to pay you. Okay, or if you think that the payment has to be done before you start whatsoever thing you want to teach the group, then it is going to be negotiated between you and the group. And let's take for example, if you have a class, or let me say if you have an economics class or a mathematics class or a chemistry class, okay, that you know that or a coaching class or anything that you know that is going to be helpful to a group of persons, you can create a WhatsApp group. You invite maybe 100 or 200 persons. For example, just take, if you have a WhatsApp group that you have 200 persons and these people are able to pay you, let's just say maybe 5,000 francs CFA, okay, and you have just maybe 40 persons in the group. Let's forget about 200. 200 is enough, is a lot. Okay, let's just say you have a group of 40 persons who are willing to pay you 5,000 francs CFA. How much money is that? That is close to how much? 200k, right? Yeah, that is close to 200,000. Let me see, 5,000 times 40, yeah, that is close to 200k. So if you have a group of people like that who can pay you, that is money you are making. Even some let me say some bankers and some lawyers or some civil servants don't earn 200,000 francs CFA in this country. Okay, so if you have a group created that you know you can share something which can impact somebody, a WhatsApp group is the best place for you to do that, and you can earn a lot of money from that. Another thing you can do on WhatsApp to make money is sharing your own particular items, like an article, an ebook, I think an ebook or a book, an article, or your own journal paper, okay, or anything that is written by you. Sharing it on WhatsApp, I know there is this fear of copywriting, okay. Of course, there is a way you can click your book and maybe people will not be able to copy it. Yes, there is a way you can do that. So if you are able to catch your book, all right, so and the people find the book valuable, you tell them on WhatsApp that you have this particular content which is valuable to them, all right, and maybe they ask you to share part of the content with them and they find it interesting, they are going to purchase this book from you. All right, you also have to be very careful with copyright stuff, because a lot of people will take your stuff and copyright it. I know it is very common in our societies. So if you have a book or a journal or an article that you can sell, you can obviously get customers or clients via WhatsApp, all right, by sharing the material or by giving them awareness that you have this particular thing that you want to sell. All right, WhatsApp is the best place you can do that. All right, I know a lot of people who have this WhatsApp or who have good phones, but they don't know that they can do some of these things. Do not use your WhatsApp only to chat online. All right, chatting online is going to be taking a lot of your time, and as you are chatting, people are making money, so you have to know that. All right, for me, I have one book, one article I wrote sometime, I think 12 months ago, though it is not yet ready, but if I had the intentions to make it public, or maybe to sell it, I am still going to bring it sometime, maybe using my channel or any other platform. But I believe WhatsApp is another way you can do it. For me, WhatsApp is also helping me in some way, or let me say somehow, because remember, I am a content creator. Likewise, I am also sharing my content links to my WhatsApp statuses, so it is helping me a lot to get other views, okay, and probably maybe make money in the future. So that is the importance of you creating a WhatsApp or a WhatsApp group or a business WhatsApp, and advertising your stuff on it, and an ebook or something you will be able to sell. All right, another thing you can sell on WhatsApp and make money are other products. Let's say you have a product, or let's consider you as a small scale business person, okay. Let's say you sell chips, you sell sweets, you do credit alerts, you sell other things along the roadside, and your business is not that renowned that maybe you can have a lot of customers. You sell merch, you sell dresses or shoes or whatsoever, and your business is not big, but you need customers, or let's say you have customers. Another way to gain more customers is to put this business on your WhatsApp status, okay. Because in as much as, let's take for example, if you go to the market, or if you don't want to go to the market and the market is crowded, where do you look at? You must buy what you want to buy, okay. And if you want to buy what, or if it is a must that you must get what you want, you could have gotten from the market, and you are not able to reach the market, of course you are going to go to the quarters or around to look for people who are selling the same stuff. And for you to do that, you will have to go to someone that you know the person. So advertising your stuff on WhatsApp is the best way to earn money. All right, a lot of people are making money cash. All right, I know of people who are financially stable, but they are still making cash via WhatsApp. All right, if you, let me say, because I talked about the book, if you have a book, a journal paper, or an article that you think can be valuable to the society or to somebody, it's easy. Share your stuff through WhatsApp, create WhatsApp group, use business WhatsApp and other forums or other WhatsApp groups that you are inside. You share your stuff, all right? People are going to purchase for very small amounts of money, and these are some of the ways you can make money using WhatsApp, guys. So do not relent, all right? Everything is possible. Keep watching, keep moving, and everything is possible. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I hope this video helps somebody. If it does and you find it interesting, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, until we meet again, peace.